Hey everyone, today I'm here at 26 Salamander and this is my latest listing, and due to the seller's requests, everything is sold as is, and we are going to take offers very soon, and I'm just here to give you a quick tour of the home, show you around, and this is listed at 1.12 and it's a great property, so let's have a look. All right, so this is the front of the house. As you can see, the two rock lion in front, one of them tipped over. We also have a tree in front of the garage, but that's okay. And let's go and have a look at the home itself. It's a two-story home, and this is the foyer area with the closet. It's actually, the inside is actually still in pretty good shape. This is like a living room, or you can use it as a dining room, up to you. There's another room over here with the high ceiling. Very nice. Fireplace over there. And this is the kitchen. And here's the backyard. Let's have a look. The backyard is actually quite nice. Okay. Can you see? Okay. And you can see the kitchen is in pretty good shape. All the appliances are supplied as is. We don't make any warranty on the appliances. But you can see it has a nice granite countertop. Lots of storage space. And we also have to look at the garage over here with the marble flooring over here. Pretty nice. Let's go upstairs to have a look. So upstairs features 3 bedrooms. This is the bath, the shared bath. Nice countertop. And this is the master bedroom. So the previous owner actually has lots of lights. There's the ensuite with the bathtub. Pretty sweet. All right, let's go check out the other 2 rooms. This room is actually, you can look at the backyard, so that's pretty nice. So here's another look of the backyard. That's it. Let's go see the basement. It's the basement. It's finished. Okay. Lots of space, so you can use it as your office. It's an entertainment area. It's up to you. Okay? All right, so that's it for the tour. If you want to find out more about this property, reach out using the information in the description, and I can arrange a private showing just for you.